So let's get started with parabola now. Okay, so before moving on to parabola, let us understand what do you mean by conic. Okay, so the locus of a point moving on a plane such that its distance from its fixed point and a fixed straight line in the plane are in the constant ratio E is called as a conic, and E is called eccentricity of the conic. Okay, so first you write the definition for conic. The locus of a point moving on a plane such that its distance from a fixed point and a fixed straight line in the plane are in a constant ratio E, and E is called the eccentricity of the conic. And the fixed point which we are talking about, the fixed point is called focus, and a fixed straight line which we are talking about is called directrix. And suppose if E is equal to 1, then the conic is called a parabola. Now, what is the equation of parabola in the standard form? Y square is equal to 4ax, where a is positive. This is the equation of parabola in standard form. So there are 8 forms altogether. So let us understand about each form clearly. Okay. So first we will write different forms of a parabola. First we draw an x-axis, a y-axis. This is a parabola. This is the directrix. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. And this is a fixed point which is called as focus. And focus is always a comma 0 for standard form. And the point where the parabola is touching x-axis and y-axis, that is called vertex, denoted by A. And this line is L is equal to 0, which is called as directrix. Okay, so for this is the first form. What is the form? Y square is equal to 4ax. Then vertex is 0 comma 0. Focus is a comma 0. And directrix is x plus a is equal to 0. And axis is y is equal to 0. Now, the second form. Form 2. What is the form 2? Y square equals to minus 4ax. So over here, this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Now the parabola is towards the left. And this is the directrix now. This is y-axis, y, y dash. This is x-axis, x, x dash. And this is the directrix, L is equal to 0. And the point where the parabola is touching the coordinate axis, that is A. And you get focus over here, that is to the left hand side, so it is minus a comma 0. So this is the form y square equals to minus 4ax. Over here vertex A is equal to 0 comma 0. Vertex is always denoted by A. Focus is always denoted by S. Minus a comma 0. And over here directrix is x minus a is equal to 0. And axis is again the same x-axis, that is y is equal to 0. Now let's take form 3. What is form 3? X square equals 4ay. Now again we take, this is y-axis, this is x-axis. If it is x square is equal to 4ay, then parabola is upward parabola. Then this will be the directrix. And this is vertex. And over here this is focus. Focus is 0 comma a here. In the previous two forms, it was a comma 0 and minus a comma 0. But because it is upward, that is axis is y-axis, so we get 0 comma a. And the directrix will be y plus a equals to 0. So let's write the form. So form I have already written, x square equals to 4ay. Vertex will be 0 comma 0. Focus is 0 comma a. Directrix is y plus a is equal to 0. Axis is x is equal to 0. Why it is x is equal to 0? Because x is equal to 0 is the equation of y-axis. And y-axis is dividing the parabola in two equal parts. So that is why equation is y-axis, that is x is equal to 0. So form 4 is x square is equal to minus 4ay. So again let's draw the figure. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. And the parabola is downward. So this will be the directrix. And this is the vertex A. And this is the focus 0 comma minus a. And this directrix is y minus a is equal to 0. So if form is x square is equal to minus 4ay, then vertex is equal to 0 comma 0. Focus is equal to 0 comma minus a. Directrix is y minus a is equal to 0. Axis is x is equal to 0. So now the next four forms are when origin is h comma k. That means origin is not 0 when vertex is not 0 comma 0. If vertex is some h comma k. So the form will be y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. So this is coordinate axis and this is the parabola. Okay. So this is vertex A and this will be focus. Directrix is y minus k is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the form and vertex will be h comma k. Focus is h plus a comma k. Axis is y is equal to k. And equation of directrix is x minus h plus a is equal to 0. Now the second form. Second form is y minus k whole square is equal to minus 4a into x minus h. So you can see this is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. In between, you have a parabola, which is not touching the lines. Okay. This is A, this is S, and this is the axis y minus k is equal to 0, and this is the directrix. The directrix is beyond this. This line is directrix. So over here, vertex is h comma k. Focus is h minus a comma k. Axis is y minus k is equal to 0. And equation of directrix is x minus h minus a is equal to 0. Now see, this is form 7, that is downward parabola when vertex is h comma k. So the form is x minus h whole square is equal to minus 4a into y minus k. Because it is downward, you got a minus sign. And vertex is h comma k. Focus is h comma k minus a. Axis is x minus h is equal to 0. And equation of directrix is y minus k minus a is equal to 0. Now you can see this is form 8, that is upward parabola where vertex is h comma k. So the form is x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. And vertex is h comma k. Focus is h comma a plus k. Axis is x minus h is equal to 0. And equation of directrix is y minus k plus a is equal to 0.